What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NNDM stock. First of all, brief information for those of you who don't know nothing about this company. Nano Dimension engaged in the provision of intelligent machines for the fabrication of additively manufactured electronics. Its products and services include DragonFly Pro System, conductive and insulating inks for printed electronics, and optimized multi-material design of complex electronics. Let me show you some numbers of this company. Their total market cap for now is $1.89 billion. They have a revenue of $3.4 million with a net income of negative $32.44 million. And their total market cap for now, according to this data, is $37.32 million with total debt of $1.83 million. And the current ratio is 8.1 and it is far above 1.5. Here is their website and here is their main product. It is a DragonFly LDM, Lights Out Digital Manufacturing System. Is the industry-only comprehensive additive manufacturing platform for around-the-clock 3D printing of electronic circuitry. And as you can see, this system is very compact, and let me show you that this system can replace the whole factory. In my previous video I've already showed you some information from this presentation, but for now I just want to pay your attention on one point. Here is the bullet of Nano Dimension. They have a strong cash position. They have 990 million as of January 2021. This money includes short-term and long-term bank deposits. And let me switch to next page. Here is the plan for 2021, riding the elephant. And we have several bullets. First one, started a prototyping fabrication services business, Nano Services. Second bullet, expand Nano as a revenue generator, but mainly as a route for DragonFly purchases once CapEx are released post-corona. Next point, merge and acquisition search directed at targets that will enable to leverage nanos. Invest heavily to preempt seeds of competition. Product and technology leapfrog toward production machines. DragonFly Peak and Next Gen. Next point, minimal investment in sales and marketing other than nanos until COVID-19 is over. Next one, there is no reason to drill a dry field. The rich grounds is expected to reopen in 2 to 4 quarters. And the last point is conserve cash, acceleration technological edge to create Industry 4.0 tectonic shift. And here is their case studies and cooperation with the companies from different branches. So first branch is research institutes and their partner is CBN IIT. In aerospace they have one of the key partners, that is Harris. In defense sector it is Hensoldt. In medical sector it is Piezoskin. And in automotive sector it is Rihau. And you can read all the information by yourself. I will put all the links in the description below. But for now, the latest information that Nano Dimension is leading the AIM revolution. And as you can see, additive manufacturing of electronics will have a 24% of compound annual growth rate, and it will skyrocket all the related markets, and that's why I think this company is on the edge of these technologies. And here we have some latest information, some article from Yahoo Finance. It was published on March the 7th, and it says Cathie Wood shares thoughts on Nano Dimension. And let me quote these thoughts. So, originally it used to call itself a 3D printed circuit board company, Wood said. Now Nano Dimension has broadened the view of itself into 3D printed technology device company, she said. One of the important things about the Nano Dimension story is their contracts they are winning from defense agencies. We always look for where the defense is putting their money, Wood said. Wood said she is very impressed with the new management at Nano Dimension and points out that the founder is still very involved. And as you can see, we have this information that ARK funds ARK KW owns over 5.8 million shares of Nano Dimension worth $45.8 million, and ARKQ owns over 7.1 million shares of Nano Dimension worth $45.4 million, and Nano Dimension represents 0.6% and 1.6% of ARKW and ARKQ respectively. And as you can see, among other institutional investors, we can see much more green lines than the red ones. This means all institutionals are buying or they hold their position. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video. And if you like my video, please hit the like button. It helps me a lot. So here is the date where I made my previous video, and I encourage you, if you want to trade this company, and I don't recommend you to do so, but here was the trade, and we have 11.55% of stop loss, and the asset hit this stop loss order. As for me, I don't trade this asset for now. I just invest and just add my position, and as you can see, for now price hit my next accumulation zone. And let me show you that here we have a huge bullish candle with a huge volume. This candle is a hammer candle. It means that bears try to push the price down, but then bulls regain the control and push the price up. And despite of its red color, it is still bullish because we have a momentum that pushing the price up. As you can see, volume also indicates that it is a good candle, because this candle has a huge weight among all other candles. And for now we have these three levels as our accumulation zone, and we've hit our third accumulation point. And for those of you who watch my video for the first time, you can add your position right here, and according to the red markets we can go even lower. And in this case, I don't want to recommend you next trade because it has a high possibility to hit the stop loss again, but this trade is still possible. You can add your position. Let me show you. You can add your position right here at the opening hours, and your stop loss will be right below this pivot point. And if price goes lower, then you will have some losses of about 16%. But for me personally, I don't recommend you to enter any long positions for now as a swing trader. You just have to invest in this company and hold it for a long term. You have just buy and forget this asset. And here we will have some new data. We will have an earnings report, and it will take place on March 11th. And after this report, I think we will have some bounce back. And according to indicators, we have to have some pullback according to RSI. And on the MACD, as you can see, we are losing momentum, and we started to curve into the upside. This means from this point we might go up, and this might be a pivot point, especially because of the golden pocket, the most probable zone of trend reversal. So in my opinion, just add your position right here and hold this company, hold the shares of this company for the long term. With that being said, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell if you haven't done this before, and hit the like button. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!